Hey everyone, if you want to edit photos, remove backgrounds, create product images, and use AI-powered design tools directly from your phone, Photoroom makes it incredibly convenient. In this video, I'll show you how to use Photoroom on mobile from start to finish in 2026. First, download the Photoroom app from your device's app store and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and complete the setup process. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can start a new project, access existing designs, and explore available editing tools. To begin, tap the New Project button and select a photo from your device. You can also take a new photo directly from within the app if needed. After uploading the image, Photoroom will often automatically remove the background using its AI-powered background removal tool. This is one of the platform's most popular features. And that's how to use Photoroom on mobile in 2026. With powerful editing tools and AI-powered features right on your phone, you can create professional content from virtually anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.